You want me to open this up and then pull the tab?
Oh, not yet. Oh, let me just a second.
That's not my laptop.
First, you're gonna want to take out the screws at the back. Make sure they're all out.
What? Oh, what about? Yeah.
First off, you're gonna look for the hard drive in the Dell laptop. Around here, you could see, right here, the connectors came loose. This is a pretty simple fix for us at TSI. First, you're gonna take a microfiber clean towel, clean off this real quick to make sure it's nice and clean for us.
Obviously, it works because it's booting up.
Then, you're gonna want to connect it to this port right here and push down. You gotta make sure the fits right. You'll hear a click when you press it down. Now, after the hard drive is properly connected, you're gonna want to flip open the laptop, check to see if it works. We don't want to have to close it back up to find another issue with it.
I restarted it though. It should work out. Give me a second. Shut down.
Now we must wait for the Dell laptop to properly connect the hard drive. As you see, no issues. That's how we fix stuff at TSI.
You heard him.
As we wait for the Dell laptop to turn on, we go and help out other customers.
I'm pretty sure Office makes fun.
How long? Whatever.
Oh.
Oh, maybe it starts.
Right there, again? What?
After you find out that the hard drive is properly connected, you're gonna flip it back over, put the back on with all the screws we took out right here.
K2.
Oh.
Start with the back piece.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I heard from my mom.
You're gonna hear a little snap. Now it's time for the screws. We're gonna go one at a time while putting the screws in, making sure they're all secure and none of them are loose.